Hello guys, welcome back to my channel catboy_21, and today we are going to play Chicken Pro series only because I will play dual and 5 and 10 TF out of this. And thank you guys for 150 subscriber and 200 subscribers. And guys, please like my videos even more. Time to show my power. Hey, wait, how? Wait a minute. Yeah guys, now I will show what I got with my favorite gun, Devil Golden AK-47. I mean AKM. Got him. Oh, come on, where are you? Okay, you are here. Okay, you are here. Killed you. Come on, where is one more? Where he's hiding? Oh, here you are. Fire laser gun. Lol, he's dead. So next round, score is 1/2. Let's go. What you will do? Nope. And guys, you ever discovered our old chicken gun is back with the name Chicken Gun, but it is Chicken Gun private server, not Rooster Rudy. So guys, please go to APK and download it because this thing is for only old player of Chicken Gun, and I am one of them. So I play the Chicken Gun old one. Next video I will make the Chicken Gun old one, but now yes, kill him. No chicken. He dead. What? We both are completely dead. Where is this guy? This guy is, I think. What is he is doing? He's freeze on one place. Hey, come, my teammate. Please kill him. I think I need to pause. No. Let's see what will gonna happen. He's stupid guy. Only standing in one place. Hey, where are you going? He's here. Okay, let it be. I am gonna fall. So guys, they are doing nothing, both of them. So I thought to leave, and I am going to another dual server. Okay, and please don't look no kill. I'm making video. Oh, wait, one thing. Oh, come on. I have all the guns, guys. And this one. Okay, this one. Yeah. Okay, this map is not bad. Look, they die automatically. They are living on chill. Let's try. What you are doing, I don't know. Where is my... Wait, don't do no kill. I am making video. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. This is a new sniper gun trick. You can trick. Okay, one guy is dead. Okay, I think I intended to follow. And here is my police car. Hey, where you are going? My favorite car. Let's see. Where they both of gone? Where they both of them gone? Wait a little, guys. Yeah, little bit of hope. Okay, where they gone? Who is that? Hey. Dead? Die. You noob. You want to die? Okay, bye. Where is the another one? Where is the another one? Okay, where is that another guy? I can't find him. Hey, I saw a jet. I think he's inside the jet. Yes, there. Yes, he fallen down. Now you are not going to live. Yes, I killed him. Oh, come on, man. Not him. Yes, killed him. Okay. Where are you? Trying to killing us? Nice, bro. Wait. Sniper trick. Okay. What they are doing, I don't know. Just kill him. No. Don't kill Hack. What gonna happen? Yes, he got damaged and he has fallen. I think Hack will be gonna die. Because his health is half. Let's see. What is he doing? Come on, guys. When it will be over, I don't know. Okay, I thought that's only happened. Let's go. Let's go. I got an idea. Okay, come on, man. Okay, next mode. Okay. Oh, come on, not this. Yeah, okay, guys, let's go. Okay, and red team. Whoa, 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 whoa. Shit, 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 shit. Who was that? He is going to kill you. Okay. This pistol is not bad. Too nice weapon. Okay, he's dead. Okay, let's go. Hello, hello. Ow! I got damage. Okay. Dead. Okay, he's dead. And now points. Okay. And use this gun, guys. This is nice gun. You come back. Okay, he's dead. Okay. I am not. Okay, there is. Okay, he killed me. Let's go. No. Okay, he's dead. Now let's try this one. Oh, come on. This one. Okay, now which part? Now this one more thing, one turn. But I am gonna die. Okay, he's here. He's here. Kill him. Yes. Okay, where I come? Nice. Wait. Where is that gun? Where is it gone? Okay, he killed him. Here. Oh shit, not this. You die, stupid. Okay. Okay. Come on. Who is this? Who is this? This one. Go. Okay, where are you? Okay. Okay. Come on, die. Yes. Where are you? He's dead. How many planes are here? Let him be. Okay. So,
Attack holes is harder than you think. You got.
okay, guys. Let's play Tank TF. Hey, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Yes. We. Okay. Not bad. Oh shit, no, run. Okay, that was nice. I got an idea. Hey! I'm going from this way. Wee. Hey. Should know. Whoa. Okay. Okay. This is awesome. One more time. Okay. 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 Lol, how they are fighting. When we win. So guys, for today this much only. Guys, thank you for 150 and 200 subscribers again. And I will see you in next video. Bye bye guys.